This 2025 Grand Design Solitude 388 MBS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 42 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 9, TV, slide-out, refrigerator, water heater, oven, smoke detector, skylight, external shower, air conditioning, LP detector, and 81 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Solitude 388 MBS is 15,985 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.